Hi, my name is Juan C. Martinez. Today's date is December the 2nd, 2018. This is Circ10 Attempt for a letter C. And this gauge makes use of a transistor to calculate temperature in Celsius and output it to the IDE's debug window. Alright, so we look into the code. It says INT temperature pin equals analog pin 0. So that's where we have our temperature pin, which is, as we mentioned, the transistor that we have. That's what we're going to have it on, analog pin 0. And then we have void setup. Void setup 0 became 9600. That's just when where the computer is going to start the connection with a serial connection. Alright, then we have void loop. It says float temperature. That's a variable that we declare, where we are going to initialize it with the get voltage temperature pin, getting the voltage reading from the temperature sensor. Okay, it says temperature equals temperature minus 0.5 times 100. And see how we have over here on the very top, it said get voltage temperature pin. That's actually a function call that we're going to be seeing right now. Alright, under here. Okay, so it gets over here, it says float get voltage int pin. That's our declare undefined function. It says return analog read pin. That's just the pin, that's the analog pin number 0 times 0.0048882814. So that's the way that it calculates the pin, the voltage itself. Then it returns it over here, and then it gets it is temperature. Temperature is gonna be equals time temperature minus 0.5 times 100, and then it says serial print in temperature. So it's gonna print whatever we are receiving from the temperature, and it's gonna delay every 1000 milliseconds. So every 1 second is gonna delay. Alright, so the way that it works here, we're gonna go back again to this, but first let's go ahead and look into the Arduino board itself. Alright, and the setup for this one is pretty simple. We have the green wire that's gonna be connected on the analog pin 0, and then it connects to the middle section of the temperature sensor. We have the negative connection that's gonna be our black wire. That's the grounding wire, connects to one end of the temperature sensor, and then the positive wire, which is the 5 volts, that will be our red wire. It connects to the positive side of the temperature sensor. That's all there is pretty much to the code, to the board. Now I'm gonna be introducing my heater in a bit, but first let's look at the temperature. Let's see here. Okay, so we're getting readings from 34, 33, 34. That's the temperature in Celsius. So right now I'm gonna be introducing my heater. That way we can see if there's any changes on the temperature. Okay, and we keep tabs on here. See how it's increasing. It was in the 33, now we are in the 41, 44. So it does seem to be responding properly. Alright, let me take it away. So we were in the 50s and now we're going lower now. Going to the 41, 42. We are going down slowly to the 30s. So it seems to be working properly. And that's all there is for the code. Thank you.